Are you tired of battling the elements while trying to protect your truck bed? Look no further. In this video, we unveil the ultimate solutions to safeguard your cargo with the best truck bed covers on the market. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a business owner, or someone who simply loves their ride, we've got something for everyone. Get ready to discover covers that are sleek, durable, and designed to fit perfectly with your truck style. From hard toppers to soft rolls, we'll reveal the pros and cons of each option, ensuring you make an informed choice. Don't let your precious cargo go unprotected. Join us and elevate your truck's functionality today. Let's dive in and find your perfect match. Number 7. Tootle Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Expertly designed to fit the 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 with a 5 feet 5 inches bed, 66-inch. This cover offers premium quality with a robust aluminum frame and powder-coated matte black finish, ensuring not only durability but also a sleek look. The panels are crafted from EnduraShield, a top-tier automotive-grade polymer that is dent, fade, and scratch-resistant, keeping it looking pristine while staying cool to the touch in hot climates. Whether you're looking for simple usability or full bed access, this cover is made for you. It easily folds up using user-friendly clamps and can be completely removed in seconds without any tools or drilling. Excellent weather sealing further ensures your cargo stays dry, making this cover a top choice in the best truck bed covers category. The Tootle Hard Shell is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon, reflecting customer satisfaction and its outstanding performance. Upgrade your truck today with this stylish and functional tonneau cover. Number 6. Most Plus Quad Fold Soft Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for the 2015 to 2025 models with a 5.5 feet style side bed. This exceptional cover features a durable exterior finish made of high-quality vinyl material, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. Installation is a breeze, with all necessary components included, no drilling or complicated modifications needed. Safety is paramount with a U.S. patent clamp and a waterproof design that protects your gear from the elements, while its UV-resistant feature keeps the interior of your truck bed looking pristine. The innovative quad fold style allows for easy access to your cargo and boasts a sturdy construction with tear-resistant vinyl and heavy-duty aluminum frames. With a stellar Amazon product rating of 4.7 stars, it's clear that this cover stands out among the best truck bed covers available. Don't compromise on style or functionality. Choose Most Plus for the ultimate protection and convenience. Number 5. Calf-free hard tri-fold truck bed cover. If you're the proud owner of a 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 or F-150 Lightning with a 5.5 bed, this tonneau cover is a game-changer for both functionality and style. Made with durable aluminum and a professional FRP structure, it holds an impressive 400 pounds, ensuring your cargo stays safe and secured against theft and damage. Designed to withstand the elements, this cover is tear-resistant, water-resistant, and can brave high temperatures, keeping your cargo protected from heavy rain, snow, and dust. Installation is a breeze, no tools or drilling required, so you can set it up in minutes. Plus, with a tri-fold design, accessing your items is easy and convenient. Best of all, it even helps improve your truck's fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag. With a strong Amazon product rating of 4.7 stars, the calf-free truck bed cover stands out as one of the best truck bed covers on the market today. Upgrade your truck and protect your gear with this stellar product. Number 4. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models, except certain versions. This durable cover is crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, supported by an aircraft-grade aluminum frame to withstand the elements while keeping your truck bed secure and organized. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars not only provide robust support but also allow for effortless folding, granting full access to your truck bed whenever you need it. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required. The package includes detailed instructions and mounting hardware, making it user-friendly for all. Plus, The limited lifetime warranty gives you peace of mind as you enhance your truck's utility. With a solid Amazon product rating of 4.5 stars, this tonneau cover is hailed as one of the best truck bed covers on the market today. Elevate your truck experience with Tiger Auto, where quality meets convenience. Number 3. AutoSaver 88 Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate accessory for your 2009 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7-foot bed without ram box. This folding tonneau cover combines durability and functionality, designed specifically to enhance your truck's performance. It features a custom fit that ensures ultimate cargo protection, allowing for easy, no-drill installation with included hardware. The upgraded buckle system and improved rear clamp provide added safety, while the aerodynamic design helps improve gas mileage by reducing wind resistance. Made from tough UV- and cold-resistant PVC, this cover not only protects against the elements, but also gives your truck a sleek, rugged look. With a solid Amazon rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, the AutoSaver 88 Soft Quad Fold Tonneau Cover is a top choice for anyone looking to buy the best truck bed covers. Number 2. Top Tiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for enhancing both the style and functionality of your 2009 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. Rated highly on Amazon, this cover features a polished aluminum finish that not only looks sleek but also protects against marks, scratches, and UV damage. With a fully locked feature once your tailgate is closed, you can trust that your cargo is secure. Designed to withstand severe weather, this cover is tear-resistant, water-resistant, and impervious to high temperatures, ensuring your truck bed remains dry and protected from rain, snow, and dust. The easy installation process with included clamps means you can spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the open road. For anyone looking for the best truck bed covers, the Top Tiny Hard Folding Tonneau Cover is a stylish and practical choice. Number 1. Rough Country Hard Low Profile Truck Bed Cover for Chevy Silverado 1500/GMC Sierra 1500 2019 2024 is the ultimate addition to your truck, merging style with functionality. Designed specifically for the 5 feet 10 inches, 69.9-inch models, this hard, low-profile tonneau cover boasts a sleek matte black finish that perfectly complements your truck's aesthetics. Crafted from durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum panels, it features a flush-fit design that seamlessly integrates with the tailgate lock for enhanced security. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the no-drill, easy setup, and included tools. The tri-fold design allows for quick cargo access and can be secured in a partially open position, making it ideal for everyday use. Plus, with Rough Country's trusted USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, you can drive with confidence. With an impressive Amazon product rating of 4.8/5, it's regularly recommended among the best truck bed covers on the market. In conclusion, choosing the right truck bed cover can enhance your truck's functionality, protection, and style, whether you prefer a hard or soft cover. Each option has its unique benefits tailored to your needs. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts with us below. Your engagement means a lot.